Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fashion Blast. Today we are diving into the world of short haircuts, specifically designed for women over 50 and 60 and beyond. Whether you have thin or fine hair, we have got you covered with over 50 stunning styles that will enhance your beauty and boost your confidence. These ageless styles will not only boost your confidence but also keep you looking chic and stylish. Transform your look and feel happy with these fabulous short haircuts and hair color ideas. Remember, age is just a number and you deserve to look and feel your best at any age. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Comment below with your favorite hairstyle. Subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and inspiration. Share your new look with us. Here are some styling tips to keep your short hair looking its best. Use volumizing products OBT for shampoos, conditioners and styling products. Designs to add volume. Blow dry upside down. This technique can help lift the roots and add volume. Avoid heavy products, stay clear and heavy creams and oils that can weight your hair down. Regular terms. Keep your hair looking fresh with regular terms every 4-6 weeks. Thank you for watching my video till the end. So we hope you found inspiration in these short hairstyles for thin hair. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more beauty tips and trends. See you soon with new collection. Remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.